This is episode 8 of Cooking with Andrew and Watson. We have a new guest. I'm not sure if you guys can see him, but this gentleman here is named Moriarty. Artie for short. Recently, Watson has been very lonely, and I felt bad. So Cabin Critters had Artie here. His name was Gunner, for adoption. So we're doing a trial run this week with, I call him Artie, to see how it goes. We're probably going to keep him. The show name's going to stay the same, but he'll be joining us too. Get down, get down. He's a little camera shy. Get down, Bubba. So we're doing a quick, easy recipe. I've noticed with views, half an hour shows are just too long. People are skipping, which I would too probably. You're skipping ahead to see how it looks or the finished product. So we're doing some. Artie, no. No. Okay. We're doing something simple. We're doing a quick kind of a pasta salad. They had some at the deli, which was already pre-made. It was called a Midwestern tomato and bacon salad. Well, I want to do it myself. So I'm saving time. We already have the water on for the pasta. We're using, it's called by Rosino Super Greens for rotini, and it's made with kale, zucchini, parsley, broccoli, and spinach. So we have 6 cups of water. Yeah, sure. 5 quarts of water. Sure, we'll go 6 cups of water. It's hot now. We have put some salt in the water for it to boil. We're going to boil this for about 7 minutes. Then we're going to make a homemade ranch dressing, and we're going to add bacon, which I've already cooked, 400 degrees in the oven for about 25 minutes. You want it very done because you want to chop it up, which we're going to do to add to our salad. And then we have some cherry tomatoes as well we're going to halve and put it in together. But the big kicker this week is going to be the homemade ranch dressing, which is super easy. So, thank you for joining Watson and Artie and me. Thank you. All right, in order to save time and because it recorded the other way, you saw the wall. Artie, no. No, no, no. No. All right, back to the show. We've added half tablespoon of dill weed, half a tablespoon of parsley flakes, and a half of cilantro. We also added a little bit of salt, and as I said in the video that you're not going to see, this came from the pharmacy, the new store in Portsmouth. I was there yesterday, and so that would be Saturday, and picked this up, and it's going to give it a little more of a kind of a flair or a taste to it. So we're going to come over here. Artie's not going to get on the table, and we're going to just mix this together. We're going to go on low, just like that. As you've seen in the past, this comes with a canister to use. We're just going to use this Tupperware because we're going to have extra that we'll save for homemade ranch. All right. Definitely going to fall. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, we're there. Homemade ranch, there you go. So we're getting there on the water. When I come back, the rotini will be done. We will cut up the tomatoes and the bacon, and we'll mix everything together. then you're not going to get on the table, are you? All right, as I said earlier, we've cooked the bacon beforehand, 400 degrees in the oven, about 20-25 minutes. So you want it to where you can just break it apart. Artie, no. Artie, no. So, Artie may be in the next room for the next show. But we're going to cut this up. Small pieces. You can honestly break it with your hand. We're going to go ahead and put it in our bowl. More. This is a nice, like I said, this is a nice side. And if you want to make it a meal, you can have chicken, steak, shrimp, any kind of protein you would like in it. So, in. Okay. Now, we're going to half these cherry tomatoes. Halved, in. Rest of that. And I'm not going to have you watch me cut every cherry tomato, but movie magic, these are all going to be cut in the bowl. By that point, our super green rotini will be ready to go. We're going to mix it all together. So, thank you for joining. We'll see you in a few minutes. Right? He can't high five yet, but he can sit. And obviously go on the table. Maybe.
Today, Junior?
I lied. I'm going to show you the pasta a little bit. As you can see, it's a dark green from all the vegetables that make it up. It's boiling now, so we're going to let it go for about 7 minutes, and then we're going to strain it, excuse me, and then we're going to come back and mix it all together. I also picked up some Tabasco, the Chipotle flavor. We're going to add that as well, just to give it a little bit of a kick. All right, pasta's ready to go. We're dumping in. We have a touch more. We're straining now. It's going to go in as well. Now we mix. First, we're going to mix this up. And I love the color of this rotini. And like I said, the vast majority of the ingredients in this are vegetables. So if you're, a family and your kids hate vegetables, here you go. I tried a piece earlier. I'll try one again. Tastes like pasta. Got it at Kroger. All the ingredients were from Kroger besides the tomatoes. There's a company called Imperfect Foods, and they will send you boxes of produce ingredients at a reduced cost, because it's, for instance, tomatoes don't look like perfect, or I have quinoa that's not actually 3 colors, it's 2, things like that. And perfectfoods.com, I believe, is the sponsor. Excuse me, not sponsor, the merchant. We have no sponsors. We have 12 viewers. We're down to 12 viewers, which is 100% fine, because it's not about the quantity, it's the quality. Plus now you got to meet Artie. Alright, we're going to do this. There's a touch left. And just mix. Stop it, bub. Just like that. Super easy. We're going to chill this for about 2 hours. No one really likes hot pasta salad, I wouldn't think. So we're going to chill this for about 2 hours. And then add a little bit of the Chipotle Tabasco. If I was measuring it, I would say we're going to do about half a teaspoon. You can add more to taste once you try it and see if you want a little more of a smoke to it. So, Super easy. The cost for all of this, we're looking at $4 to $5. And if we weighed it out, we were looking at every bit of 2 pounds of pasta. So, thank you all for joining. We'll try it real quick. Top notch. Good stuff. Thanks for joining. We'll see you guys next week. Thanks, guys.